simple as that. You just make a slit, just freehand it down and then bend it over, and it's plenty close enough. So once you get it like this, again, you can just put a roughly a 45 on. It doesn't have to be very close, as long as you don't cut through that top layer, because that'll be your hinge. So that's pretty straightforward. As long as you can get, deflection on your elevons, you're good to go there. I think what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of this tape on, and I'm not going to tape it like that way across. I'm just going to put probably 3 pieces that just wrap around, and you put it on when it's folded like that. Because when I tape it, or I usually use a it's a laminating, it's a 1.5 mil laminate. You know what you'd laminate your driver's license with, or something like that, and it's activated by heat, so you just put it on with your monocoque covering iron, and it makes a super durable airplane. But clear packing tape works real well too. So all we're doing is just wrapping it around. We're not pulling on it or anything like that. It's just to strengthen that hinge a little bit. And when I tape it or laminate it, I'm going to laminate right over that to make it a nice solid hinge. If you're not going to fly it fast, if you're just going to take it pretty easy, you probably don't even have to get that carried away with it. I generally push my planes pretty hard, so but I've never had an aileron fail, so I guess I'm doing it all right. Just listening to some Jethro Tull right now. Good building music. I gotta listen to it with earbuds so that YouTube doesn't flag me for music. Okay, so that's simple and straightforward. Bend's nice, it's taped.